Hello everybody. I just wanted to make a video update on my bugs. I got my Bugs 6 and my Bugs 3. On my Bugs 6, I recently got some 3-bladed props, but the issue I ran into, like I've seen other people have, is that they have 5mm diameters, and the base of the quad motor has a diameter that is actually 6mm. It's kind of oval shaped. I don't think that's picking up, but it's oval shaped, so that way the stock props can actually lock in there and make sure that they don't move. So what we did was we took a drill press and we laid it flat. Took like a 6mm drill and drilled it partially into the prop. So the top part is still 5mm, but the bottom part is 6mm. You don't want to get it drilled all the way through with 6mm though, because that would leave a lot of rattling and ability for your prop to be shaking a lot while it's flying, which will throw off the balance and overall functionality, I would say, of your quad. My Bugs 3 is having issues again with that same prop that I replaced the ESC on. The ESC, from what I can tell, it's not burned or anything, so I don't know if the motor's gone bad. Let me grab a battery real quick. But when I plug in the battery, so I'm going to start it, and you're going to notice that this one only twitches, whereas the other ones will be moving. And I notice also that the motor will make a beep when it quits. It'll just give up. So here we go. So we'll do that one more time, and I'll put the camera a little bit closer to this one. Maybe you'll hear the beep on there or not. Here we go. Alrighty. So I'm kind of stuck on that one. But my Bugs 6 I've had a lot better luck with. I haven't had really hardly any issues with it. I think that my Bugs 3 has a greater range than the Bugs 6. I also have the stock, or not the stock, but the camera that you can get through MJX to put into the Bugs 6. It dramatically cuts down on my flight times. I used to be able to fly for like 16 minutes, 18 minutes with a little camera sitting on top of it. But if you're recording through their camera that you can install right there, it cuts it like in half. I get about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes with that. So it dramatically cuts down your time. And I think even when you're not recording and you just are flying it, it still reduces your flight time since it's plugged in. So that's something to think about, I guess, if you want to get the stock one. I think that it does really well. There's not a lot of jello. I'll post a video of me flying it around. There's not a lot of jello. You do get the little lines in the light because the blades are flying, but it's not bad. Anyways, that's pretty much it. See you guys later.